Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find apps, which are actually right here. You do not have to scroll. Now let's tap on advanced and enter special app access. Here we have to tap on install unknown apps, and as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to download some content. Obviously you can change it. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option on the app you would like to allow to install something and just tap on the switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that here we've got the notification that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you are doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually your device on the risk. So it's really up to you if you want to do it. Obviously you can turn off all the permissions you previously gave. Just tap on the one you would like to turn off and again tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.